Today we'll talk about how can you add or change your name on your Breed app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do next. So you just click on settings here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to your name, just click on it here. So then here set your name here. When you don't, just go above save, click on it, then it's going to save with you here on your Breed app. So that's all you have to do to add your name or change it. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking